way. And now here's our beef. And I've made quite a few beef stews lately getting ready for this program. And I've tried several different cuts, some from the leg called the top round and the bottom round. And from all the stews I've made, I find that I like chuck the best. So these are various pieces of chuck. This is called the chuck tender, and it comes from the shoulder blade up here. And it makes an awfully nice stew because the meat doesn't get stringy. And this is called the undercut of the chuck, where it's like the continuation of the ribs along here where it gets up to your neck. And here's another piece of it. This is called flunkin meat, and that's awfully good. That's sort of from the short part of the ribs of the chuck. And you cut up the meat into pieces about like that. We're going to serve this for 6 people, so we want to have 3 pounds of meat. I usually count on 1 pound of boneless meat for 2 to 3 people, but if you have a good appetite, we want to have a little more than that. And then, as you can make this stew way ahead of time, anything that's left over is extremely good. Now, we want to get our pan hot, and we're going to saute it in this first until it's brown, and then we're going to put it in this pot.